Hey guys, this is gonna be a chill vlog. I had a few days off, so I did my usual self-care, yoga, Pilates, monthly recs, and since I'm gonna be going on vacation, I decided to do a mani and pedi as well. Also give you guys a glimpse into my morning routine and other random things I do on my days off. Enjoy! I'm about to make the best granola ever. I usually spend my mornings checking my budget, but I also like to read the news and catch up on YouTube. I wax once a month, but if I'm going on vacation, I like to time it right before. That way I don't have to worry about it while I'm there. I talk about waxing and ingrown hair prevention in my other videos, so feel free to check that out if you'd like. This is my usual hygiene routine. I do like to switch up my body wash and moisturizer though, depending on how I'm feeling. I spent all evening hanging out with my friends, so here we are the next day. Weekly car wash. That's the issue with having a black car, but I love it though. It might just be me, but there's just something very soothing about being inside your car when it's getting washed. This is a dupe for the baby foot peel. You can get it at Marshall's or TJ Maxx for around $5. ready to do my mani and pedi. I'm really into nails even though I don't do them as often as I used to. Prepping my nails, but of course watching YouTube as usual. All done. I like to stick to neutrals because they don't look as bad when the nails start to glow.